I'm Shelley Goldberg. It's a Tony Award-winning show and one of the biggest hits on Broadway, all about the magic kids can find in reading and the power of a good book. But what you might not know about Matilda the musical, based on the classic Roald Dahl book, is that it takes not one, but four very special girls to play the part. We met up with the newest Matildas, Brooklyn, Tori, Eliza, and Fina, at Sardi's to find out what stories, in addition to Roald Dahl's books, have inspired them.
A book I love is called Love You Forever, and it's a picture book, and it's about a little boy who turns older, and as he turns older, so does his parents. And he takes good care of his parents, and he kisses them and reads them stories.
There's this one book called The Kissing Hand. It's about this little kid and their mom, and he was scared to leave, and so they kissed each other's hand, and they said that if you feel that you miss me, just put your hand on the side of your cheek and remember me, and it won't wash off. And I just remember that book from when I was little.
When I was little, a book called Wake Up City, and my mom would read it to me every morning and every night, and we would love to pick out the people in the book and see which one looked like members of our family.
There's a book that I really love that's called A Dog Called Homeless. And it's basically about this girl who doesn't talk for 31 days, and she meets this dog, and she falls in love with the dog.
And just as there's often a great life lesson to be found in a book, we asked our young Matildas to share the message of their show.
If you're being bullied, if someone is bigger than you, then just know that if you're small, you're strong.
No matter who they are or what size they are, or if they have something that's different about them, that's a good thing.
For more information, go to matildathemusical.com. Shelley Goldberg, New York 1.